Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Today we're looking at the Behringer Wing again, and this one will be a little bit more hard to follow, but very useful. And we have a Klark Teknik DN9630. This device allows you to do AES50 to USB. There is a new product coming out from Music Tribe as soon as we can get our hands on it. Wink, wink, Behringer. If you want to reach back out to us for being a product developer for you, it would be great. They'll allow you to do Stage Connect the same way, that way we're not even using an AES50. So we're coming out of AES50C on the back of the console. Kind of hard to see because we have a lot of stuff plugged in, but AES50C. And we are going into this device. That would allow you to still have two AES50 ports for your stage boxes. And keep in mind, unless you have the blue DLs, you can link many things. And we're coming out USB from one of our quad computers. So that's all we're doing is just USB out into this. So you're not gonna have to use any type of Focusrite or anything. So first thing on VST host, go to devices, wave, and you'll have to select ASO KT USB ASO driver. If you don't have that, you're gonna have to go to the website, download that, put it on. If you bought one of the devices from us and you let us know this is what you're gonna be using, we can have it preloaded for you. So now that we have that, we're gonna show you if you're gonna be using this on a channel. We have multiple videos on how to do this, so you could utilize this device for different things, but this is going to be if you're gonna do one instance per microphone. So we go ahead and select the channel. We're gonna go into our effects, and we need to create an effect slot first. So we're gonna add external here in 13. Looks like we already have one in 14. We'll make sure it's there. Have our channel selected, go to insert, and then we're going to go 13 for our first one. And we'll select our next channel, and we're going to insert 14 for this one. So we'll go back to channel 1. That way we're going in sequential order, and you're gonna have this guy pull up. So our send, since we're using AES50C, it's a little bit confusing. You will use C for your ascend. This will be for our effect slot 13. We're gonna be doing mono, so 13 left. We're already selected, so life is good. When we go back into that channel and we return, we are also gonna be returning from C. So since this is our first channel, it will be 1, and it is mono, so life is good. We'll go ahead and select the next channel, and we're going to make sure that it is here. And it looks like it's already routed, but we'll go through it as well. This is going to be AES50C. We'll be returning to our 14 left. And when you go back to our return, it will be coming from AES50C. So once you have done that, we're gonna have our first microphone here.
Hey,
and we can talk into it.
Hey, 1
And we'll pull up our external effect here, close out of that. And we have DeFeedback on. So we'll have it on.
1 2.
Get right to the verge.
1 2. 1 2.
And Tanner can protect his ears. And we're going to turn it off.
1 2.
And you immediately hear feedback.
1 2 1 2.
So then we can take our second microphone. It's going to be our 58 that is on the stand.
1 2 1 2 1 2.
We'll select it, make sure we're there. We already have it on.
1 2.
And as soon as you turn it off,
1 2 1
you hear
2.
feedback. So that has got all this inserted, not using your USB. And the reason we want to do this, some people want to utilize this USB for waves that's on the sound card, or they want to record to Reaper or some other program. So this will keep your USB open, and it will only eat up an AES50. So you can go into here, make sure your sample rate is set correctly, come USB into it from your computer, and you are good to go. So neat little piece. They're still available, but can't wait to see the Stage Connect piece. Keep in mind, we make these machines. We already have the licenses. We can have the whole kit and caboodle ready for you. So just please hit like and subscribe and let us know what else you'd like to see. So we always forget to put at the end of the video, we do sell these. So we just shipped out some to Australia. We've got some going to the United Kingdom. These are going out tomorrow. So we do sell these. We have tons of the Focusrite. This entire box has got 40 of the solos that just came in. And we have tons of computers that we've pre-programmed, and they're little tiny guys as well. So if you do want to purchase these, just reach out to us at info@sweettreeproductions.com, or you can give us a call at 256-275-4734. And we have just got months and months of research into this, going on a year. And we actually just installed one of these with a 6 instance today, and we've got some 8 instance computers as well, and some that will do 12. We have all sorts of options. So just give us a call, 256-275-4734, or shoot us an email, info@sweettreeproductions.com.